how to use eBay combined shipping to save money. So in order to do that, first of all, let's open our eBay, and then from here make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what we're going to do is simply put some items into our cart. So simply open it and simply tap on add to cart, and it will be added to your cart. So like that, add one or up to 2 or 3 items on your cart. Then you can simply open your cart right here, and all of your carts will be selected in listed right here. So after doing that, now what you're gonna do is request total. So after tapping on your shopping cart, what you will see is on the top right corner of your phone, there will be the option of request total. So all you need to do is tap on that, and what you're gonna do is submit and wait. In there, after tapping on request total button, you'll need to write something like, "Hi, please combine shipping for these item, thanks," and tap on submit request and wait for the seller to send an updated invoice showing that they reduced shipping total before you submit your final payment. And this is how you can use your eBay combined shipping in order to save money. And yeah, that's it.